Introducing the MANSORY Cabrera, an extraordinary vehicle that redefines performance and luxury, marking its world premiere. Based on the legendary Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, the MANSORY Cabrera is a complete vehicle conversion limited to just 3 units worldwide. Under the motto "One car per decade," it celebrates MANSORY's 30th anniversary with an exclusive touch. This stunning supercar features a full carbon body, newly developed LED headlights, and a significant power boost, now generating 810 PS and 780 Nm of torque. Experience mind-blowing performance with a top speed of 355 km/h and an acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.6 seconds. Inspired by the Cabrera line of the Spanish Fighting Bull, the design embodies wild power and temperament. The redesigned bodywork mimics a bull in attack posture, complemented by elements reminiscent of stealth aircraft. Every detail enhances both aesthetics and functionality. Optimized air inlets improve cooling, while striking side skirts and expanded wheel arches showcase MANSORY's iconic style. The heart of the Cabrera, the powerful V12 engine, has been meticulously rebuilt, achieving a staggering output of 810 horsepower. Coupled with a striking 4-pipe exhaust, it delivers an unmistakable sound that commands attention. To handle this immense power, the Cabrera is equipped with lightweight forged wheels and high-performance Pirelli P0 tires, ensuring superior traction and control. Inside, MANSORY's craftsmanship shines through, with every component refined to perfection. The striking Vento Verde accents and forged carbon details elevate the sporty, luxurious ambience,